Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Calcium carbide emerged in the late 19th century as an industrial chemical, primarily valued for producing acetylene gas for lighting and welding. Commercial production is carried out by large-scale manufacturers who supply roughly 95% purity material to steel, chemical, and agricultural markets. On contact with water, calcium carbide reacts to release acetylene gas, which burns with a hot flame useful in cutting and starting furnaces. Modern use emphasizes regulated supply chains, proper handling, and avoidance of amateur synthesis due to safety and legal concerns. Industrial production of calcium carbide relies on high-temperature reduction of calcium-bearing feedstocks combined with carbon in specialized electric furnace systems operated by trained personnel. Producers focus on feedstock quality, carbon source selection, controlled cooling, and material handling to meet purity and impurity limits demanded by downstream uses. Large plants also implement emission controls, dust capture, and continuous process monitoring to protect workers and the environment. These operations require industrial infrastructure, regulatory permits, and professional engineering to manage energy consumption and chemical risks rather than small-scale experimentation. Safety considerations for calcium carbide are paramount. It must be stored dry, segregated from moisture, and handled with appropriate PPE because contact with water releases acetylene, a flammable gas. Legitimate uses include controlled acetylene generation for flame processes, rolls in steelmaking, and certain regulated chemical syntheses. All occur within licensed facilities with trained operators. Regulatory frameworks typically require permits, specific transport controls, workplace exposure limits, and waste management procedures to prevent accidents and environmental release. For hobbyists and small operators, the correct path is to purchase certified products and follow legal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.